Mindoro. So Ellie is already at the port with the car. It's a little bit rainy. It's 8:30 in the evening. We're setting off now. I'm going to meet up with Tony John on the way, and we need to get to the port around 1 to 2 a.m. The ferry's at 3. So wish us luck. Made it here to the port, caught up with Ellie. We ended up sleeping in the car. Now we're just queuing up to get the vehicles loaded on the boat. RJ's somewhere down there on the motorbike as well. So the boat will be leaving in about an hour or so, I suppose. Wet ride last night to the port in Batangas. A couple of hours on the boat and then a couple of hours driving. We're here in Sablayan, just waiting for Ellie to arrive, and then we'll go and check into Gustavs' place. So we made it to Tamaral Falls. Today was 333 kilometers of riding. I think our accumulated distance so far has been 200k from Porac to Batangas, 100 or so k yesterday from Abradilog to Sablayan, and then 300 and something today. So pretty long. We've got another few kilometers to go to the hotel, but we stopped off here at Tamaral Falls, where we're all going to wait for Ellie to also arrive in the car. this is the end of the road. The road does not complete all around Mindoro yet. It goes to here. About another 20k that way is Abra, where we started. On these bikes, we cannot go any further. So that's it. Happy birthday!
Okay. I was like, oh my, I didn't even notice. I swear, man. I swear, I didn't notice it.
Home, 800 or so kilometers of riding from Porac to Batangas around Mindoro and back home. 3 days, lots of fun. Here's to the next ride.